Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now we will take up another problem on IC engines, and here is the question. A 4-stroke 4-cylinder petrol engine was tested at full throttle at constant speed. The cylinders have diameters of 80 mm and stroke of 100 mm. Fuel was supplied at the rate of 5.44 kg per hour, and the plugs of the 4 cylinders were successively short circuited without the change of speed. The power measured was as follows: with all the cylinders working 14.7 kilowatt, with the cylinder first cut off 10.1 kilowatt, with cylinder 2 cut off 10.3 kilowatt, with cylinder 3 cut off 10.4 kilowatt, with cylinder 4 cut off 10.2 kilowatt. Calorific value of petrol used was 41,900 kilojoule per kg. The clearance volume of each cylinder is 100 cc. Determine the mechanical efficiency, indicated thermal efficiency, air standard efficiency, and relative efficiency. Now we will see the solution. First, the given is brake power. BP is equal to 14.7 kilowatt indicated power, that is IP, is equal to BP minus BP1 plus BP minus BP2 plus BP minus BP3 plus BP minus BP4, that is equal to 14.7 minus 10.1 plus 14.7 minus 10.3 plus 14.7 minus 10.4 plus 14.7 minus 10.2. If we calculate, then the answer will be 17.8 kilowatt. Then we have to find mechanical efficiency, that is equal to BP by IP, that is equal to 14.7 by 17.6, that will be equal to 0.8352, that will be 83.52%. Now indicated thermal efficiency. That is equal to IP by mass of fuel per second into calorific value. That will be equal to 17.6 divided by 5.44 divided by 3600 into 41,900. The answer will be 0.2779, that is 27.79%. Then swept volume pi by 4 into 0.08 square into 0.1, that is equal to 0.0005026 meter cube. This will be swept volume. Clearance volume VC is 100 cc, that is 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Now we will see the compression ratio, that is R is equal to V1 by V2, that is equal to Vc plus Vs by Vc, that is equal to 1 plus Vs by Vc, 1 plus 0.0005026 divided by 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. The answer will be 6.026 air standard efficiency. That is eta is equal to 1 minus 1 by r raised to gamma minus 1. that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6.026 raised to 1.4 minus 1 0.512, that is 51.2%. Then relative efficiency, indicated thermal efficiency by air standard efficiency, that is equal to 0.2779 divided by 0.512, that is equal to 0.5422, that is equal to 54.22%. This is relative efficiency. This is air standard efficiency. This is compression ratio. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, share and subscribe.